Go on, Laurie.
No one else wants to volunteer, lad?
Come on then, Tom.
Come on, Laurie. Oh dear.
Absolutely.
Not a lot. They want a stripper.
Well, that's the one thing I ain't doing for you, I'm afraid. You scare everybody away.
Well, good afternoon.
You got an union man? You got a union man?
Young man. Do you know what I mean? I know. Why do I put up with this? Week in, week out. This is Tom, ladies and gentlemen, he's been over there filming. I needed a bit of a lot of help because we haven't got a drummer today. And this next number is a little bit special. Can you play a musical instrument, Tom? Can you play the tar horn? Yeah, very trying. Yeah, alright, well hang on a minute. Just hold on to this microphone a minute, I'll go and get it.
Yeah, it does work. It does work.
Now Maureen's a sound engineer now, is she? You don't do that. Right. We do, Tom. I want you to play into the microphone.
It seems to be out of tune, I think. This is Satan's tune.
That too.
And again.
Too close.
That'll do, yeah.
Yeah, that'll do. Right, we're in tune.
Okay.
So the idea, Tom, when I nod, you hit it, and I don't mean my head. Yeah? When I nod, you go eat it, alright? So we go. And you got a solo at the end. So when I go... Exactly, that's your solo. Right, here we go.
Oh dear. Oh, wait.
Just have a practice. That's it. Pin through. Right. Okay, boys. One bar for nothing. No, when I nod, Tom, anything, if I forget to nod, just sing it.
That's all right, I'll forget as well.
Okay, here we go. One bar. You go in the band, boys.
How about that, eh? I think we ought to get him in the band. He's good, isn't he? Yeah. I'll tell you what, my head's sore. He's nodding.